Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing the 5 best Sublimation Printer 2025, handpicked through research and testing to meet different needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, top performance, or unique features, I've categorized them to match various preferences. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. Woolbify 8-in-1 Heat Press Machine, Professional Sublimation and T-Shirt Printing Set. Unleash your creativity with the Woolbify 8-in-1 Heat Press Machine, perfect for customizing T-shirts, hats, mugs, plates, and more. Featuring precise temperature control, 200 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and a 0-999S timer, this machine ensures flawless heat transfers every time. The die-cast aluminum heating plate with a non-stick Teflon coating prevents scorching, while the 360 degrees swing-away design enhances safety and convenience. Whether you're a craft enthusiast or entrepreneur, this user-friendly heat press heats up fast and delivers consistent pressure for professional quality results. The multifunctional attachments allow you to work with cotton, polyester, ceramics, and more. Plus, with automatic heat dissipation and overheat protection, you can create worry-free. Get ready to turn your ideas into reality with this all-in-one heat press machine. Number 2. Epson EcoTank Monochrome Super Tank Printer, High-Yield, Cartridge-Free Printing. Experience exceptional savings and efficiency with the Epson EcoTank Monochrome Super Tank Printer, designed for businesses and home offices. Print up to 6,000 pages with a single replacement ink bottle, saving up to 75% versus laser toner. Enjoy fast, worry-free printing with precision core technology, delivering ultra-sharp text and crisp detail. This powerhouse printer features auto two-sided printing, a 250-sheet paper tray, a 35-page ADF, and a rear tray for specialty media. The 2.4-inch color touchscreen makes navigation effortless. Plus, with Epson's 2-year limited warranty with registration, you can print with confidence. Take advantage of the 2 years of unlimited ink promo and cut ink costs dramatically. Stay productive with reliable, high-volume printing, all without cartridges. Genuine Epson ink ensures premium quality every time. Number 3. Epson EcoTank Monochrome Printer, fast, cost-effective, cartridge-free printing. Maximize productivity and save up to 75% on ink costs with the Epson EcoTank Monochrome Printer, the #1 best-selling super tank printer. Print up to 6,000 pages with a single ink bottle, delivering ultra-sharp text and stunning detail powered by precision core technology. Featuring fast first-page printing, auto two-sided printing, a 250-sheet paper tray, and a rear tray for specialty media, it's built for efficiency and high-volume printing. The 1.44-inch color LCD makes navigation seamless, while virtually no warm-up time ensures quick output. Plus, with Epson's 2-year limited warranty with registration, reliability is guaranteed. Take advantage of the 2 years of unlimited ink promo for even greater savings. Use genuine Epson ink for the best results. Non-genuine ink may impact quality and printer longevity. Number 4. Canon Maxify GX 2020 Wireless Megatank Printer, High Volume, Low Cost Printing. Upgrade your printing experience with the Canon Maxify GX 2020, a wireless 4-in-1 Megatank printer built for efficiency. Print, copy, scan, and fax effortlessly with USB, Wi-Fi, and wired LAN connectivity. Save big on ink costs. Print up to 3,000 black and white or color pages with a single set of ink bottles. The 2.7-inch LCD touchscreen ensures smooth navigation, while auto two-sided printing and 35-sheet auto document feeder (ADF) make handling bulk tasks a breeze. Designed for business or home offices, this Energy Star certified printer delivers vivid color output at 10 ppm and sharp monochrome prints at 15 ppm. Compact yet powerful, the Maxify GX 2020 is your ultimate cost-saving solution for high-volume, professional-quality printing. Number 5. HP Smart Tank 5000 High-Volume, Low-Cost Wireless Printer with 2 years of ink. Get more done for less with the HP Smart Tank 5000, designed for families and home offices printing high volumes at ultra-low costs. Print up to 6,000 black or color pages right out of the box with 2 years of included HP ink. Enjoy crisp text and frame-worthy borderless photos with HP's best everyday print quality. Print, copy, and scan with ease using mobile and wireless printing, while self-healing Wi-Fi keeps you connected without interruptions. Setup is a breeze, and the HP app lets you print, scan, or copy right from your smartphone. Plus, HP Wolf Essential Security ensures your data stays protected. When it's time to refill, HP's spill-free ink system makes it mess-free and effortless. America's most trusted printer brand brings you a smarter, more affordable way to print.
I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.